Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. It is July 4th, actually, I think to be exact. Wow, time goes by so fast. We had a busy long weekend, so I thought that I would hop on today to talk about our new July promotions, the new products, the new sales, and our new Epic Summer Career Kit. That's a tongue twister. It is amazing. For those of you who have been looking into joining Epicure, usually there's a big kit to purchase, which is amazing, but it's about $200 usually. But what they did this time is they created kind of a mini kit for $99. That's it, but still amazing stuff in there. So let me share my screen and I will show you guys a couple things. Okay, actually I'm looking for all that fun stuff that I wanted to show you and it disappeared. Here it is. Okay, so first I would like to talk to you guys about the Epic Summer Startup Kit. So this is even if you don't want to sell Epicure, this is an amazing kit because you will get all of this stuff for only $99 and the value is $240. That's pretty good. I wish we had this kit when I first started because I started back in January, I think back in November. And mind you, I did get a lot more with it because my kit was about $200 and something, but this one's pretty amazing too that even I want it. So you get a cutting mat. They are amazing. You get our 3-onion dip mix, our CCP dip mix, our lemon dilly dip mix, the extraordinary trio recipe card. You get the chocolate instant pudding mix, so good. You get the good Mexican real fast. We have the most amazing collections, but more about those later. You get the real results guide, which is so helpful. You get a square steamer. I have all of our steamers. They are awesome. You get a 2-in-1 citrus press, and who doesn't need one of those? You get a 4-in-1 spice spoon. I love our spice spoons because they fit inside every Epicure container, so it's really helpful. You get a set of 4 prep bowls, and you get unlimited VIP host cards for your first 30 days. So everybody who does want to host a party with you gets free product your first 30 days. And if you go crazy and if you are able to submit 4 qualified cooking classes in your first 30 days, you will get a regular career kit for free, okay? So everything else in it, so everything else in your career kit for free. So that's all of this stuff here. So you get another steamer, you get an apron, you get a ceramic knife, you get the curette, you get the veggie twist and spiral slicer, the Good Greek real fast, the grab and go, you get a saute spoon, a funnel, a chocolate instant pudding mix, mac and cheese seasoning, summer berry dip mix. I've been doing a lot of teaching today, so I think I'm starting to lose my voice. I apologize. And you get a lot of samples. And this actually sounds like the kit that I signed up for. So this is pretty amazing, actually, you guys. So even if you're not thinking about selling, this is an amazing deal for only $99. If you're interested, let me know. I am so happy to help. So I spent a little bit longer on that one than I had intended. So the next one here, our July host exclusive. So everybody who's able to host a qualifying party. So a qualifying party is at least 4 customers at sales of $250 minimum. But that's easy to do with Epicure because everybody has to eat. So, you know, seasonings, spices, herbs, cookware, oh, amazing stuff. But if you do host a qualifying party, everybody wants this package because for all of this, which is normally $70, you will get all of this for only $35, okay? So you get the O Canada Dry Glaze, the Caesar Rim Trimmer, the Bloody Caesar Mix, so good. You get a picnic a picnic blanket. You get a sweet maple topper, is also so good. You get a maple kettle corn popcorn seasoning, which I use a lot of, plus a free backpack with all of this stuff in it. How crazy is that? So amazing. You want to host a qualifying party. The next customer exclusive. So until the 1st of July, till the end of the month, you get all of these three things, which is worth $31. You get all of this for only $10. I picked up a couple of these because I'm a seller, so I always get things a month before. Awesome. And these are amazing. I already want to order more, especially of the garlicky dill and the sesame crunch. So good. So you get all of this for only $10. And that's a customer exclusive, so anyone can order it as long as you spend $75 or more, which again is so easy to do. Next one. This I think is the most exciting for everybody because you get 30% off cookware. So if you've had your eye on any cookware, check us out. You get 20% off must-have meal solutions. So all of these different things, you get 20% off. Check it out online. I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. And you buy one, you get one free of our smoothies, okay? Amazing, so healthy for you. You need this stuff. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Happy shopping. And as I said, thank you so much for watching.